At one time or another, you're going to run into this issue of having a flat tire. To begin to fix the tube, what you need is a pair of tire levers. If you don't have a pair of tire levers, you can use the ends of your skewers. So first you place one tire lever underneath the bead of the rim. And you lift up and over the rim of the tire. You take the second tire lever and you run it around the circumference of the rim, removing the bead of the tire. When that is done, start at the valve and you can take the valve out. And then pull out the tube. Now you need to take a tube. I like to partially inflate it like this one. Find the stem and find the hole for the stem and put this through first. If your stem has a retaining screw, just slide it on right now. Now you're going to need to seat the tube into the tire. This is why it helps if it's partially inflated. The next step is to get the bead of the tire to sit in the rim. This is just done with your hands, just popping it over top of the rim. It should go pretty easily depending on the type of tire you have. And usually the last few inches are the toughest. And then just give it a tap all the way around to make sure that it's on the rim properly. Now tighten the retaining screw on the valve. And now you're ready to inflate your tire to the proper tire pressure.